Hey, welcome into For the Low. Quick question for you. Do you ever catch yourself watching a movie and it ends and you don't feel like getting up to change the movie? Might happen while you're watching a season or a series of movies. And at the same time, do you love watching your VHS tapes? Well, if you answered yes to both of those, then this device is perfect for you. Okay? But before we get into that, quick thing I want to say to anyone that thinks DVDs are better than VHS tapes, there are definitely reasons VHSs are better. A few of them, including 1, you can scratch it up and it'll still work. 2, you can skip through the previews. On a DVD, it doesn't let you do that. 3, they're much easier to record with. And the 4th reason is that it will save where you left off, no matter what VCR you put the tape in and no matter how long you wait until you play it back again. But with that said, let's go ahead and talk about this. The model number is SA-HT822V. Let's talk about the rear panel real quick. So on the back you have an RF tuner input and output right here. Then you have your loop antenna ground for AM FM radio. Same thing here, this will connect you to AM FM. And then you have component output and S video, those are for the DVD side only. And then you have the DVD and VCR output right here if you want to just connect it to one source. And then you have an input for recording onto VHS. And then you also have a sound system hookup, which this one doesn't come with the sound system. We have another one that does if you want that, but this one's just a unit. And then to connect it, you'll just match up the red, white, and yellow cable to the video output and the audio output. And then as long as you have it all connected correctly, you'll get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a disc, and when you're loading them, it'll let you load all 5 at the same time if you want to. You just stick one tray in, and then you can slide the disc in there, and then you can close it, and then you can put in a VHS at the same time. And this is the original remote for it. It's got a bunch of different functions on it. You can quickly switch from VHS to DVD. It's got jet rewind if you want to rewind your VHS tapes super fast. And you can connect to AM FM stereo, of course. And then you can turn on and off the display and decide what you want to display. You can pause it. On the front panel, you have a power button, an input selector, your disc select buttons right here, then a disc change button, open, close, disc check if you want to eject all of them at the same time, stop, play, and then rewind, fast forward, stop, play, and then eject, channel button, record, and then your volume knob if you have it connected to a sound system. That's pretty much all there is for this device. It's super unique. You won't find one of these anywhere. It's got a 5-disc exchange system and a VHS player all in one. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.